Hello everyone, this is Peggy, and today in this video I'm going to show you the new stamp pads, the way you can store them and the way you can label them. This is that's just my way. If you decide to do it differently, that's absolutely up to you. I just wanted to show you now these are able to store one on top of the other, and with the little holes at the top and the little nibs at the bottom, they fit pretty well into one another, and you can see there are three on top of the other, and they're pretty yeah, steady. I don't know what will happen if we put them all on top of one another. Oh yeah, look, I can still sort of slide them around without them falling all over the place. So that's one of the things that's really great. You can store them in a pile. The other thing I wanted to show you is at the back of these stamp pads there's a sticker, or there are stickers, more than one. I'll just show you, look, there's a little arrow here. That's the way you can lift the sticker up, and you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers there, in English, in French, in German, and in I don't know what language, and there's a blank one here at the bottom. So sorry about my inky fingers. I've been setting up my new stamp pads, so I got a bit inky. So the way I do it, I'll just quickly show you that, is I put our German name in the front of the stamp set, but when you turn it around, I also put the English name in the back, so that if I have a workshop, people can see from all sides what stamp pad it is, even when it's open. So let's open it, which is a tiny bit tricky with one hand, but it's okay. You can see there's a sticker. Oh, it's not easy to see with that lighting. There's a sticker here too inside. So Stampin Up made this even to be able to put the blank sticker inside. So that's great because we have a lot of similar colors. They look similar when they are open anyway, and so that's easier if you have a sticker there as well. Now we don't have to push the stamp pad anymore to open. We can just flip it open, and what I can't do now is, with one hand at least, will I be able? Oh, maybe a little. They are so new, so they're a bit, yeah, stiff. So you just push it back and you can use them, and once you're finished, either you push here at the back or you pull here, so it doesn't really matter. For me it seems easier to push, so look, I'm filming with one hand. I can still push it back. Oof, now I've got more inky fingers. Push it back, oh, there it goes. Yeah, closed. So this is our new color, grapefruit. Then we've got lovely lipstick, or grapefruit, sorry, the English name is Grapefruit Grove. Lovely lipstick. Let's make a big tower. Call Me Clover, which is a nice clover green. Then next one, Blueberry Bushel, and Pineapple Punch. There we go. Look, all of them. This is another stamp pad that's Tranquil Tide. So this is not a new ink color, but these 5 are, and look, they're really nice to store. Yeah, so the last bit of information I want to give you is that they changed the liquid as well. So the re-inker now have a anti-foam effect. So with the old stamp pads, sometimes when they were new and full of ink, when we inked up the stamps, sometimes we had a bit of foam on them. So this now with the new ink pads, they also changed the re-inkers a little, and they have now an anti-foam effect, let's say like that. It's a bit difficult to describe, but it's it works very well. So these are the new ink pads. I wanted to show you the colors and how to open and close and so on. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.